7 lies about entrepreneurship you must ignore to start a business. In this video, we are going to discuss if you should look for a job or try your hand at starting a business. My friend Neil listened to all the well-meaning friends and family and spent 8 years building a career. He was a star performer, but he was fired a couple of months ago. His company was shutting down due to financial challenges created by the COVID pandemic. He did not expect this, and he is still looking for another job. So, coming back to the question, is it sensible to leave a secure job and start a business? I will answer this question and even tell you about the 7 lies that are being floated by experts that are stopping you from making the right decision. I will also share a downloadable sheet of highly profitable business ideas that you can choose from. So let me come to the first lie straight up. The very first lie that you are going to hear is your job is secure. No job is secure, my friend. No job comes with a guarantee. It doesn't matter who you are, whether you are a CEO with 20 years of experience behind him or whether you're an intern who was hired just last week. All of us are replaceable. All of us will be asked to or have to leave our current positions at some time or the other. That's the nature of things. You can try and time the economic cycle. You can wait to be on trend. You can wait for the kids to grow up. You can wait to pay off more debt. But the truth is, it's never a good time to start a business. So, what do? Here is the answer: don't start a business, solve a problem, or work on an idea instead. Lie number 2: not everyone can start a business. That's just a lot of BS. My business partner once said, everyone is an entrepreneur, but employees sell their services to only one client. Think about it. A job is more secure than being in a business. But even if you have just one client, your employer, you are still placing your fate in the health of his business. If you are a master of your skills, then maybe someday in the future you can create a company, cut out the middleman, and service your clients yourself. Lie number 3: you need to be a genius to start a business. Geniuses like Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, Elon Musk are few entrepreneurs who have been popularized by media stories built around them. Why? Because their stories sell. They are success stories. But think of the thousands of other businesses like accountants, doctors, people in real estate, insurance, art, gifts, shoes, clothing, beauty, jewelry, electronics, grocery stores, toy shops, laundromats, and the list goes on. Not much is written about them, but they are solid revenue generating profitable businesses. So, no, most businesses are not started by geniuses, but by normal people like you and me. Lie number 4: you will have to sacrifice your life to build a business. This one makes me laugh. Aren't you already sacrificing your life to build a career? Doesn't every promotion and job hike demand more time, energy, and focus? It's not very different from how much you are sacrificing already. So, how can you save time, money, and energy when starting a new business? Research well before making the plunge. Think about how to get clients. Learn to manage your money and cash flow, and most important of all, find a mentor to hold your hand. Lie number 5: building a business is hard. I would not call it hard, but building a business is time consuming. However, the silver lining is that not forever. Once you have found and serviced at least a dozen clients, you will get the hang of it. From experience, I assure you it gets easier. So, how to build a business the easy way? Pay attention to lead generation, pay attention to cash flow, build a great team, and most importantly, find a mentor to help you get out of sticky bends. Lie number 6: affiliate marketing, email marketing, virtual products, SEO, social media marketing, and more are all dead. Have you heard this again and again? That affiliate marketing is dead, that SEO is dead, that social media marketing is dead. That's again a lot of BS. I have seen every single business model and marketing platform work. Pat Flynn, if you don't know, go look him up. Pat Flynn makes 6 figures each month with affiliate marketing. Amy Porterfield built a six-figure business selling online courses. Sam Owens offers high-ticket consulting packages of four figures or more. That is high-ticket selling. Email marketing is alive and well. Just ask Ramit Sethi. And SEO does great. Just ask Brian Dean. And finally, social media, it works like a charm. If you know how to use it, just ask the one and only Gary Vee. The problem why these don't work for most people is because they simply don't stick to the model or the platform for long enough time to succeed. The solution is to decide and stick to your stack. Mine is Facebook, YouTube, blog, and email marketing. And finally, the last lie. And this is the biggest BS you're going to hear ever. Selling is hard. Yeah, sure. If you're selling products or services that are crap, then this is true. Crap is hard to sell. But the first step to overcoming your fear of selling is asking yourself whether your offer is truly valuable. I pour my brain and heart into my courses and consultations and only sell products that I would happily buy myself. When designing a digital product, my focus is not to make money but to solve a problem for my customers. My business solutions come with a guarantee because I don't sell product or services. I offer business growth, more revenue, and most importantly, peace of mind. In my experience, the best way to achieve wealth is to do so while solving problems because when you do that, word gets around, my friend, and clients will seek you out. So, in conclusion, we finally come back to the same question. Is it sensible to leave a secure job to start a business? After all that I have told you, you tell me in the comments what you think. Be sure to put it all in detail because I'm going to read and reply to every one of them. By the way, if your answer is yes, then I have a gift for you. Just as promised in the beginning of this video, find the link of a downloadable sheet of highly profitable business ideas in the description below. Please write to us in the comments how you plan to implement this to learn more about creating a sustainable and profitable business and to keep watching this channel, like, follow, share and subscribe.